As them brutally murder Jermaine Richards, one shot in him chest at the car park. I don't know what is this for. He just drive him down the stairs and kill him and just throw him up at UC. You know, hear nothing more. We'll go up there, there's an unknown male up there. And work at Ribbiz. He work at Ribbiz and that's just it. We don't know nothing because nobody get to nothing. So we just have to try protest and see what can come big done at this. We don't know what else to say.
Is there any reason why you chose tonight, particular night at this time?
Yeah, because tonight are the big people night. I think the owner and everybody have to be there. I don't know. But we just choose tonight. That's why we come tonight.
Do you think your message, the message that you want to convey to the manager, do you think it was sent to them tonight by your demonstration?
Yes. Sent to them, yeah man. Yeah man, sent to them. From we come here, them send out people to come here or what, them yeah man. Them get the message. Them get the message. We get the message. You just want no safe now.
Justice is served.
I just justice to want serve. Nobody now giving an argument what really occurred with Jermaine and them. We don't know nothing. That's what the sister say. All know, the owner and nobody don't get to her. So we just want the justice and just leave it so. And in the same hard work and put him up say, my hard work and all these things and then nobody get to nobody. Justice has to be served. We want justice. The policeman who kill him, we want to know him charge murder.